Hey guys, it's Mary. I received the new Tonic craft kit today. I believe it's number 59. And you're probably thinking, if you come to the channel regularly, that it's been quite a while since I've done a video on the craft kit. And that is because I've tried to, as with the Crafter's Companion monthly boxes, I'm tried to pick and choose what I don't have, what I need, and be a little bit more selective. Since I have to pay for everything, you know, I'm not a big channel, so I don't get all the freebies that a lot of the video people do that do reviews and stuff, especially with Diamond Press and Tonic. So I've tried to pick and choose. So it's been a while, because recently they've had a lot of like little drawers, little gift boxes, little tiny things like that, and I don't really have a need for those. So, but when I saw this one, I knew I had to have it. It is something different than I have, and I've got a lot of stuff, but I don't have anything like this. So let's get it open and get to it. I have not seen it in person, so I'm hoping to be blown away. All right, so let's get everything out of the box. So we have, look, there's a stencil. You know I love stencils. Let's get everything out of the way to make room. All right, so right away we see that there's some sponge, little Dahmer-like things. I've never used these before, so this will be interesting. So, so this kit is called Clocks and Cogs. Clocks and Cogs, I was right. And I just fell in love with it. It's got, let's get, oh, that's not good. Let me get a white piece of paper. The stamps are to celebrate, sorry it's late, time with you is time well spent, one day at a time, time, happy retirement, where's the time gone, to relax, time to relax, time flies when you're having fun. There's a little cog, an old key, an old alarm clock, a, oh my gosh, what are those called? You know, you turn it over. The Sands of Time thing. So that's the stamps. And so it's got all the different gears. This is you know, the little thing to hook your watch, little wristband. That says something, we'll figure that out. There's the hands for the clock, different inserts. Just love all this kind of steampunk. This is my favorite look at this. And this is the pocket watch. So this will make a pocket watch. This is the chain for the pocket watch and the winder for the pocket watch. This is a mantle clock. I have a mantle clock from my grandmother, and so I'm just delighted that it has this. This isn't as ornate as my grandmother's that I have is, but it will do the job. So I'm just really excited. So let's put this back. So there is a picture of the mantle clock that somebody made. Oh, and there's all the gears. Good times, that's what it says, good times. There's all the different gears with the different different papers I'm sure that are in here. So let's look. So we've looked at these. What do they call these? Just blending sponges. So, all right, so these are blending sponges. There's 2 of them. And then here is a stencil. So, I'm not sure exactly what this is supposed to be. But here's all the gears. And I think this is just a design that's got arrows going that way and arrows going that way, and it'll be a cool background to use. I don't think anybody used it in these 2 examples, no. All right, so that is the stencil. All right, so let's look at the goodies in the Nouveau bag. All right, so let me get some scissors. So these are the vintage drops, and this color is Bohemian Teal. It kind of reminds me, it's a little bit more blue of like a patina, but a little bit more blue, but that is a pretty color. So we've got that. Shimmer powder, you know how I love shimmer powder. If you don't, you do now. This one is Maroon Spark. I don't know if this is a new color or not. It's very pretty though. I like it. Hopefully it's a new color because I have all the other colors. Ooh, this is big. Oh, Crackle Mousse. This is a full size of the Crackle Mousse in Water Nymph. I have never used the Crackle Mousse, and it looks like it's cracking on its own over here, so might have to put a little bit of water to bring it back to life. Add some metallic dimensional details to your craft products. Another full size. Oh, how pretty this is. Look at that. And this is Glacier Paste in bronze metal. That is so pretty. That's going to be gorgeous. Oh, all right, that's it. So 4 full-size products, so that's awesome. All right. let's look at the card. I'm pretty excited about this one. Like I said, all right, let's look at the paper. I see bronze. All right, let's see what it says these are. All right, so not sure if these are backwards or okay. Classic card in brick red, I'm thinking. Classic card in apricot orange. Oh no, maybe that's ginger pie. And maybe this is apricot orange. Ocean blue. And teal blue. Yeah, I think that's the way it is. Okay. And then foiled craft card. Let's see if we can find that. Somewhere in here. Foiled craft card in rose gold. Specialty card. Wait. Specialty card in Sierra Treasure. Foiled. I'm not sure which one is which, but they're very pretty. Mirror card in opera red. Mirror card in rose platinum. Paper, clocks and cogs. So these are the double-sided papers called clocks and cogs pattern paper. All right, so I love love the color palette. Just love the color palette. That's just gorgeous. All the bronzes, and then that blue is gorgeous. So, all right, so that's 59. I think I just blinded you, sorry. Let's put this paper back so I don't continue to blind you with this mirror card. All right, so Tonic Craft Kit 59, clocks and cogs. I think I really, really like it, and I think it's going to be gorgeous. And I will make a card, or at least a card front out, and video it so that you can see how gorgeous it is, because this is really, really pretty. So, all right, so let me know if you picked up 59. Let me know if you have been getting all of them, or if you're doing the same thing I am, just choosing which ones you want, just filling in the gaps in the themes that you need. So, all right, so that's it. Tonic Craft Studios. I kind of miss getting them, but you know, I'm glad that I've restrained myself. Sometimes you just got to. So, All right, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. If you're thinking about subscribing, that would be so appreciated. You can hit that subscribe button, and if you want, you can hit that bell, and it'll let you know when there are new videos to be seen. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments if you've gotten 59 and if you've used it yet. So that's it. All right, so thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.